little over 50 years ago, vision correction surgery was revolutionized by the invention of the intraocular lens. PowerVision is revolutionizing vision correction surgery once again. We've developed an accommodating intraocular lens. It's the only technology that we believe can restore what we call true accommodation for cataract patients. No change to the surgical procedure or post-surgical patient management. We've now implanted over 100 patients with our device. We have more than 50 patents, very large market opportunity, as you all well know, and a great management team to execute on the opportunity. As I've said in this group before, we believe the goal for this patient set is the restoration of what we call true accommodation. That is the ability to give patients the ability to see near, far, and anywhere in between, creating seamless vision from near to distance. And as importantly, maintaining the natural mechanism of accommodation. That includes shape change, intracapsular implantation, ciliary muscle-powered activation as well. Our approach is to efficiently harness the very tiny natural muscle forces in the eye to move fluids inside our lens. We translate that fluid movement into a shape change, which leads to a large change in power. True shape change is many times more optically efficient than vaulting or shifting lenses. We create a continuously variable monofocal, maintaining the natural mechanism of accommodation and restoring true accommodation. In our lens, when the eye moves to its natural accommodative state, the capsular bag, which now contains our lens, squeezes less than 1 drop of fluid from the periphery of the lens into the center, inflating it and giving near vision. When the eye moves to its disaccommodated state, the reverse occurs, creating distance vision. The lens is paired with a novel PowerJect Injector. This injector uses fluid to gently deliver the lens into the eye. Again, no change to the surgical procedure. The lens comes preloaded, and we're able to deliver through a 3.5 millimeter incision. As I said, we've implanted over 100 patients with our device, beginning with a pilot study, which we completed with excellent results with a 4 millimeter incision system. We moved recently to a binocular implantation in those same patients, and I'll talk about the results for the first time here today. Moving to a multi-center study with our 4 millimeter system, and now we are currently enrolling, in fact, we just implanted the first patients last week with our 3.5 millimeter system in a multi-center study designed to secure ID approval and supplement our data for CE mark. The binocular results in patients that had been implanted with our lens in our pilot study are excellent. We have excellent visual acuity across near, intermediate, and distance. As expected, we improved our vision versus our monocular implantation 1 line at near and approximately half a line at intermediate. Our data in rabbits, in humans, have consistently shown stability of visual outcomes and accommodative effect. This recent data presented here for the first time and concurrently being presented at this ASCRS meeting shows rock-solid stability of our visual performance and accommodation out to 18 months. Our very early data is available for our 4 millimeter system with our CE mark study, showing again very consistent results to our other studies. We followed a consistent path of iterating and updating our product as needs be. We just recently, as I said, introduced a 3.5 millimeter incision system. In the near term, we expect to improve visual performance at near from 2025 binocular to 2020, moving forward to a 2.8 millimeter incision and eventually implementing the feature of post-implant adjustment with our lens. As I said, the company is now enrolling its first 3.5 millimeter system patients right now. We expect the CE mark in the first half of 2016. U.S. FDA trials are expected to begin in 2016 as well. The company recently completed $30 million of funding in a Series D round and is raising an additional $10 million as part of that round right now. Thank you so much.